This is a review of plastic fence posts by Powder River, sold at auctions in auction time. 7 feet tall. They have a tapered pointed end, and they're nice black plastic. In theory, they're a pretty good deal, but when you go to try to pound them, if it's warm, they will bend. And I mean, they bend fast, you don't make it anywhere. So they're really not poundable into something that's sand or clay or dry soil. And if you do pound them, you probably need a pilot hole and some kind of a sleeve around them to keep them from going bad. So what's the solution? The solution is you take you get yourself a 4-inch auger bit for your skid loader, put it on there, and then drill them in. And you can get them in just about the right height by doing that. They're a little loose, but in the winter they'll tighten up again. Overall, I wouldn't buy these again unless they were like half the price of creosote, because when you're if cattle lean on the fence, they're going to bend these over a period of time, because when they get hot, they get really soft. So everywhere as you're going downhill or in a straight level area, you're fine with them. But if you go anywhere where the fence is going to put pressure on it, so like at the top of a hill, you're going to have to use wood posts, otherwise they'll bend over from the pressure of the barbed wire pulling them downward. And it's kind of the same thing when you want to drill these in. You're going to have to put a creosote post kind of at the bottom of the hill too, so they don't get pulled out of the hole, because the hole's not really perfectly tight. I mean, it's pretty close with a 4-inch. I suppose a 3-inch might have worked a little bit better, but I couldn't find one. All the best I could do was a 4-inch auger. They've been more trouble than they're worth. I would not recommend these unless I had a real swampy area that was nice and flat. Boy, they'd work good for that. If you wanted to put in an electric fence, I think they'd be great, because you can use anything in them. They're insulated. But going out here trying to do this, oh, it's been a nightmare. I'm just not happy with these at all. So Powder River, bought at auction in auction time, about the same price as a creosote post. Lasts forever, but installation is a real problem. I didn't even think when it got cold that they would pound straight. I think you still have to have a sleeve. Haven't tried that aspect of it. That's my opinion on these plastic fence posts. They'll last forever, but it might take forever to get them in.